Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 3008 in the active specification. So this vehicle comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, has rear parking sensors, the radio has CD player and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.